Hi everyone, this is Matt with Way Out Web Design. This is a supplemental video to the HTML Basics course, and in this video what I would like to do is show you how to create a Mailto hyperlink that will allow you to create links in your web pages that when the visitor to your site clicks them, it opens up their email program and allows them to write an email and send it. So let's get into that. I have one of the sample designs that comes with the HTML Basics course here, and down here at the bottom you'll see that I've put an email address that we're going to use as our link text. And so what we want to do is open up our text editor, and I'm going to go down to that text, and when you make an email link you do it exactly like you normally do. You wrap the text that you want to use as your link in an anchor tag, and then you set the anchor tag's href attribute to a value. The only difference here is instead of setting it to a web address, you put a different beginning on the link. So instead of using http:// here, you use mail_to:. That's basically what you do, and then you put the email address that you want it to go to. In this case we're going to use notreal@wowdesign.com. So we're going to use that as our email address, and then we'll save it, and then we will go to our web page and we'll refresh the page so that the changes get updated. And now you see we have a link down here. Now when I click this link, my computer is going to ask me which email program I want to use to send this email, and I'm going to tell it Thunderbird, so that's the one that I use. And you'll see here we have an empty email, and it's ready for us to put a subject in, and then we can compose it and then click the send email send message button, and it will send off the email. But there is a little trick that you can use too to put a subject line in here so that you don't have to type it in, and that's a very simple technique that you can use. When you create this address, after you put in the email address, if you just put question mark and then the word subject equals and then type the subject in, just like that, and then save it, you can go back to our page and refresh the page so that the changes get updated. Now when we click this, we'll go through the same series of events, but when we get our email form that pops up, notice it has a subject line in it. And so that's how you create a Mailto link in your web pages with basic HTML, and additionally that's how you set the subject parameter to a value to be displayed by default. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.